Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we are doing the fourth exercise, that is your exercise 5.4 from your mathematics textbook of class 6 NCERT. So this chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes, is a very wonderful chapter based on geometry. If you want to check the videos for the previous chapters, you can check the description box. So let us begin, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please press the bell icon as indicated by the arrow on the screen to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Let us begin with the first question from exercise 5.4. So the first question says, what is the measure of right angle and what is the measure of a straight angle? So these questions are very easy, as they are simply asking you what are the measures of the following angles. So class, if I talk about the right angle, the measure of the right angle is always 90 degree, and if I talk to you about the straight angle, the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. So this is an important question from your examination point of view for all of you to know that what is the measure of a right angle and a straight angle. Yes? Okay. Coming to true and false, the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Yes, the statement is absolutely true. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than, no, it is always greater than 90 degree. Yes, it is always greater than 90 degree. The measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. Yes, it is true, because the measure of the reflex angle is between 180 to 360 degree. Coming to the D part, the measure of one complete revolution is 360 degree. Absolutely, it's the true statement. If measure of angle A is equal to 53 degree and measure of angle B is equal to 35 degree, तो आपको बताना है 53 degree is greater or 35. So they are saying measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. Yes, it is also true. Yes, it is also a true statement. Alright, let's go to the next one. Question number 3. I hope everybody has done this. Write down the measures of some acute angles and some obtuse angles. So class, if I want to write down the measures of some acute angles, so all the measures should be less than 90 degree. Yes. So give at least 2 examples for each. So let me write 63 degree, 48 degree, 45 degree, 15 degree, 72 degree, any two you can write, or you have more options. Yes. Coming to obtuse angles, so obtuse angles are basically more than 90 degree. We can say 100 degree, 110 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, and so on, 148, yes, degree, and so on. So you can write any two angles from obtuse angles. All right, is it clear? Okay, let's go to the fourth part. So this is basically measurement of angles. So in this we are going to measure using the protractor. So if you measure keeping the base of the angle, say I say A, B and C. So if I say the measure of angle A, B, A, C, so this will come out to be 45 degree. Yes, this I can see the B is an obtuse angle, so this will come out to be 120 degree. Coming to the C part, this angle will be coming out to be 90 degree. Yes, this is 120 degree. This is 90 degree. And if I talk about these angles, so angle 1, 2, 3. So here the angle 1 is of 60 degree. Angle 2 is of 130 degree. And angle 3 is of 90 degree. You can check using the protractors, because I have used the protractor to measure the angles. Yes. Okay. Clear है? बढ़े आगे. Fifth question. For which angles has large measure? First estimate and then measure. तो क्लास सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एस्टिमेशन करेंगे, चेक करेंगे मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए क्या है. तो क्लास मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए इज 40 डिग्री. यस. एंड मेजर ऑफ एंगल बी इज 65 डिग्री. सो बताना है विच एंगल इज ग्रेटर. So obviously the angle B is greater. So I am going to write the answer is measure of angle B is greater than measure of angle A. Here M stands for measure. Measure मतलब कितना एंगल का नाप है. So 40 डिग्री and 65 डिग्री आप प्रोट्रैक्टर से मेजर करेंगे. You will get to know. Sixth question. From these two angles, which has large measure, estimate and then confirm by using. So class, let me see. अगर हम इस फिगर को बोलते हैं एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2. सो हियर एंगल 1 का मेजर हमारे पास आता है 45 डिग्री और एंगल 2 का मेजर आता है 60 डिग्री. सो एंगल 2 का मेजर हमारे पास ज़्यादा है. सो दैट इज एंगल 2 इज ग्रेटर. क्लियर है? इजी. Please all of you make a note of these types of questions. These are very important for your examination. Upcoming exams जो आने वाले हैं सब बच्चों के लिए. आइए करते हैं fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right and straight. आपको options fill करने हैं. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this question is very important from your examination point of view. So mark it as a star angle. Yes. Okay. An angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle. So class, here we get the answer as acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle. Right angle से बड़ा सिर्फ एक ही angle होता है. कौन सा? Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is the sum of measure of two right angle. Two right angle का मतलब है 180 degree. So that is a straight angle. Yes, straight angle. D part. When the sum of the measures of two angles is that of right angle, then each of them, अगर दो angles का जो sum है वो right angle बन जाता है तो उसमें से एक angle कैसा होगा? Acute angle. कैसा होगा? Acute angle. E part. When the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a straight angle and if one of them is acute then other should be. अगर straight angle है एक acute है तो दूसरा obviously क्या होना चाहिए? obtuse होना चाहिए तभी तो वो straight बनेगा. Yes. Write all the answers in your notebooks. Yes. Okay. Coming to the next one. D part. Find the measure of an angle shown in the figure. First estimate with your eyes and then find the actual measure. So estimation करेंगे आप. मैं आपको actual measure बताऊंगी इधर. Right? I will be talking about actual measure. मैं सिर्फ देख के आपको ये बता सकती हूँ कि ये acute है या obtuse है. Right? So this is some for acute angle. Yes. ये वाला पहला वाला figure is acute. और ये कितना आ रहा है to be very exact? It's coming out to be 40 degrees. Similarly, if I talk about the second one, this is coming out to be obtuse and the measure of this is 130 degree. Coming to the third one, again this figure is an acute base. Here 70 to 75 के बीच में होना चाहिए. Yes, so this is coming out to be 65 degree. Yes, the fourth one. This is definitely an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree and it is coming out to be 135 degree. So आपने अप्रोक्सीमेट करना है देख के क्योंकि सबको प्रोट्रैक्टर पता है कैसा होता है ना. एंड बस हमने उसका मेजर करा, बेस को 0 पे पुट किया एंड फाइंड आउट किया. क्लियर है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज एवरीबडी क्लियर विद इट? ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. फाइंड द एंगल मेजर बिटवीन हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक इन द फिगर. ये तो बहुत इजी है, हमें बिल्कुल देखते ही पता चल रहा है. एंगल बताना है, एंगल मेजर बिटवीन द हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. सो हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक में यहाँ पे हमारे बहुत इजीली हमें कितना पता चल रहा है. सो दिस इज 90 डिग्री. दिस 1 PM का कितना बन रहा है? 30 डिग्री. यस, एंड 6 PM का कितना बन रहा है? 180 डिग्री. याद है हमने रोटेशन वाला करा था एक कॉन्सेप्ट. रोटेशन में हमने क्लॉक को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा था और ईच पार्ट वाज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. यस, वन क्वाड्रेंट वाज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. सो दीज आर द angle measures between the hands of the clock in the each figure. Okay, 90 degree, 30 degree and 180 degree. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. All right. Coming to the 10th one, investigate. Now this question is not a very good question from your examination point of view. Still I will like to discuss. In the given figure, the angle measures 30 degree. Look at the same figure through magnifying glass. Does the angle become larger? Does the size of the angle change? So, अगर आप मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से करेंगे तो ये नो एंगल बड़ा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, एंगल विल नॉट चेंज. बट अगर हम बात करें साइज की, यस, द साइज ऑफ द एंगल विल the size of the angle will definitely change. ठीक है ना. सो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से आप देखेंगे तो एंगल तो वही रहेगा, लेकिन उसका साइज बड़ा हो जाएगा, है ना. करें नेक्स्ट पार्ट 11th. मेजर एंड क्लासिफाई ईच एंगल्स. ये है थोड़ा सा अच्छा क्वेश्चन, काफ़ी बच्चों को मैंने क्लास में कराया है. लगा लीजिए इसको टिक पे. आइए टेबल फिल करते हैं. एंगल ए ओ बी. एंगल ए ओ बी, इसका मेजर कितना है? 40 डिग्री, कमिंग आउट टू बी एक्यूट. ए ओ सी मतलब 124 डिग्री आ रहा है. ऑब्वियसली मोर देन 90, तो ये कितना हो गया? ऑब्ट्यूज. बी ओ सी दैट इज 100 डिग्री, अगेन इट इज एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. सो आपको बेसिकली देखो, ए ओ बी ये वाला था, ए ओ सी ये वाला था, फिर बी ओ सी ये वाला था. अब हम ढूंढ रहे हैं डी ओ सी ये वाला. ठीक है, तो डी ओ सी हमारा जो आएगा, इट विल कम आउट, डी ओ सी विल बी कमिंग आउट टू बी 100 degree, which is again an obtuse angle. DOA, DOA, so this is the DOA angle. DOA आएगा आपका 140 degree, which is an obtuse angle. And DOB, DOB is a complete angle, straight angle है ये बिल्कुल 180 degree, and which is a straight angle, right? So all of you, please do these types of questions, practice more and more of these types of questions. You can find these types of questions in the exam. Yes. Yes, everybody has done. Yes, so here we come to the end of the exercise 5.4. so thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your love and support. Keep watching, and you can now join us on the Facebook as Learn Easy, and you can find us on Instagram as Learn Easy Online. Quickly follow the page on Instagram, and you can please like, share and subscribe the channel for regular updates. Thank you.